So hello guys, today we are gonna learn how we can create a repository with the desktop app with IntelliJ project or any project. So for that we have to create a project and let's give it a name. So first go here and make sure it is an fxml or anything else, and we're just giving it a name with demo, and make sure the location is your favorite place, and you can see it from here. And also you can go to next and create a GitHub repository. After creation, we can see that we have created a demo project which is situated in the D folder, and after that we can go here in the GitHub desktop, and we can create a we can go here in the library management system, or you can see the current repository should be selected here, and we can go there add, and then we can add existing repository. Okay, or we can create, if it doesn't have created any repository, you can just simply click on create new repository. As I have created a new, I have had a existing repository, we can go here and we can choose the path that we have selected in the previous one. Now we have given that name is demo. You can select from here, and as you can see that the add repository is pop up. You can click here simply. Now this is our repository has been created. I mean the repository has been added to the GitHub app, and we can give a summary here, this demo 1, and we can commit to master or main, you can say here. As you can see, the push your repository to GitHub, so we can simply click Ctrl P or the button here. I'm going to click on Ctrl P, and the repository I want to name in my is demo 1.2, and I'm going to publish it here. Now my repository has been created. For that I have to check it, right? So I'm gonna go to my GitHub. For that I have to go here. I'm gonna search GitHub, and so that I'm gonna log into my GitHub web versions. And as you can see, this is my profile and this is my repository site. I might click here, and you can see my repository has been created here as demo 1.2. Alright, so now if I need to change anything in my code in the original version, in the demo here, I just simply go to the project here, and I'm gonna write changes line in my code, source Java. Okay, source Java, and hello application. Suppose I'm going to change in here, so I'm going to add a comment here, which is a demo changes. All right, and as you can see, my GitHub already got it and is making a change in this 19 number line, and the changes I have made also in 19 number line. So you can see here there is an upper options that we need to change, and we have to write anything, or we can directly commit it, and we can click push origin, and we can create it the changes. We can make changes in the GitHub. And as you can see, if you go to demo 12, after publishing, the part you can see here is source main and the Java section and the hello application, we have made the changes. And if you go to the 19th number line, we can see that the change has been created. So if we want to add another file, then we can simply go here. We can create another fxml file and name it a demo view. Okay, after creating the name, you can simply click OK, And as you can see that my Git repository or my Git is giving me taking me an permission to create this new file to my repository of Git. So I click to Git add, and the file will be created in my desktop repository. Also, as you can see, this is the demo view file. You can see here the file has been created, and also if I keep committing and push origin, alright, you can see that the change will be created as the authentic file. We can go here and online. If I go to the resource, we can see that we have two files. The previous one is the initialized one, and the second one is a new we have created, and the file has been created. So this is how we can make a repository from GitHub desktop to any project. Thank you very much.